The normal heart rate for a dog Palmer size is typically around 80 to 100, or even maybe a little bit more than 100, because they tend to be nervous in the veterinary clinic. And we did a little battery of tests that led us to the conclusion that the only treatment for Palmer's condition, for his arrhythmia, was a pacemaker.
So I think the main lesson from this story is to find a great vet. Firehouse is so much more accessible than any vet I've ever been to. And truly, these people become your family and love your pet just like you do, and you know they're in great hands. If you do not take your pet to Firehouse, you should. They saved my dog's life and were able to accurately and very quickly diagnose a very rare, unique, abnormal problem that you don't see every day. Without that diagnosis, he wouldn't be here with us. We'd have lost him. And so I think Firehouse is very unique in the fact they build a relationship with their patients and they become a part of your extended family. And they all love Palmer as much as we do.